Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my coffin. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you a nice new feature of GNOME Files 43. The app has been ported to GTK 4 and you can change individual icons. Right click on the icons, properties, click on the icon, go into the folder, select the new icon, open. Here you will have the new icon. It also works for hidden icons. Now go to the hidden icons. For example, freedom icon change to Visual Stallman, for example. And the other one, truth icon, change, for example, to Linus Torvalds. And this is how to change single icons in GNOME Files 43. See you later, guys.